In this video, we're going to be covering how to replace your old tired U-joint straps with U-joint U-bolts on the Dana 30. If you find this video useful or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, if you have any comments or questions, leave those down below.
Alright, I'm going to back off these 4 8mm bolts. U-bolt and you're good to go. Alright, let's try this out. Center that puppy. Drill. I would suggest starting with a smaller bit and working your way up to a 5/16 bit to make room for the U-bolt. I started with a 5/16 bit, which I struggled a little bit. I went down a couple sizes. I don't remember them offhand, but then I worked up. I believe I did. I used two bits before the 5/16, and just gently widened the hole, and it cut through pretty quickly after that. I definitely would recommend good strong bits, or good sharp bits for the drilling part. So it's at this point now where we can install the U-bolts. The ones I bought from the Help series are a 13mm bolt with 2 lock nut washers. Put this in. Oh no! Oh my god! So it's hard to see, but one of my nuts went in the tire tread. My fingers are too fat to get them out. Let me go get a magnet. Be right back.